Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to create purchase order in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. So purchase order in Field Service, it is enables to order product to warehouse or to purchase a product to sell a customer while performing a work order. And purchase order basics such order arrival to the product, and it helps manage the process for getting the material needed to complete service work efficiently. Now, how to create purchase order? So this is the service area. Now click on this area and then click on setting from here. So under the general section, this is the field service setting. So there are multiple tabs. In this we select the purchase tab from here. So purchase order approval required, so this field user will allow to continue or choose. And next field is user of product of stock. So this is used when work order that is out of stock. And confirm means the user decide whether to continue or not. Now click on drop down and restrict relate the work product for being used. Now under the general section, click on products from here. So here select the default one. Now click on field service. So field service product type in these three type of inventory, non-inventory, service. Inventory, this option use the product track, warehouse and user location. Non-inventory option no need to tracking, warehouse and user location. And service option also create service product and with duration of time. So right now in this field using option as inventory, and in vendor it is default the one whom we purchase the item and it is lookup of the account entity. Now click on the standard cost field and update to 700 cost. For that product when we want we purchase, it's automatically applying. Now we will create purchase order. So first change area as inventory. Now click on inventory from here and then click on purchase order. Now click on new button. So provide details under the general tab. So click on vendor from here and select bean to cup machines. And then click on system status drop down. Now click on submitted from here and then click on save button. So this is the purchase order number. Now we will add product to the purchase order. So click on product tab. Now click on three dot from here and then click on new purchase order product. So here select the product. So select this product and also update the quantity field 5. Now click on product associate to tab and now click on associate to warehouse. Now click on main warehouse from here. Now click on save button. Now click on product inventory from here, in which we will have information regarding the quantity of the product like quantity on order. So as you can see that quantity on order is updated and quantity is available 0. So click on receipts from here and then click on new button. So here give the name as product and then associate the purchase order. So click on that. Now click on received by. So it is the person who actually receiving the order in the location. So now I am selecting this. Now click on save button and then click on notes tab. So from here click on three dots and then click on new purchase order receipts. And now select the purchase order product. So I am selecting this. So quantity and cost it is automatically populate. Now click on save and close button. So again click on product inventory. So here we can observe quantity available is updated. So now under the purchase section click on bills and then click on new button. So here give the name as paying bill and then select the purchase order. So I am selecting this and now here give the bill date. So I am selecting this date and then click on save button. Now click on related tab drop down and then click on receipt product from here. Now click on add existing purchase order receipt product Now click on that and then click on add button. And now click on save button from here. And now go to the general tab. So now you can observe total amount is updated. While performing the work order, so you would require some product in the client location. Now first change area as service. So again click on inventory area and then click on service from here. And now click on work order from here. So I am selecting this work order. Now click on product and services from here and then click on add product. So here choose the same product which is selected in the purchase order. So I am selecting this. Now click on line status drop down and then click on used. So here give the estimate quantity is 3 and in quantity also is give 3. Now click on warehouse field from here. Now select main warehouse and then click on 3 dot. Now click on pricing from here. So now give the unit amount 500 and then click on 3 dot and now click on save and close button. So product is added. Now again change area as inventory. So click on inventory from here. So as you can see quantity is reduced from 5 to 2. So in this video we covered a process of purchase order and how to create it in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. Thanks for watching.